So we're gonna go back to scales. What you played: C major, G major, D major, A major, E major, B major. Hands together, 1 octave. Okay, by the way, this is Mina. I'm Miss Elsa. I am Miss Elsa. Here, Miss Elsa. Her piano teacher. I'm her piano teacher. Okay, and Mina is playing by now scales from A to B major, hands together, 1 octave. So we're gonna review, and after that we're gonna learn how to play hands together or maybe separate for 2 octaves. Okay, C major. Good. Let's try not repeat this note. Like this. Everything legato, beautifully up and down. G major. Don't repeat. Good. D major. Nice crescendo, nice decrescendo. Keep pinky up, 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 up. We don't want a pinky on the side, right? Keep working on that. Pinky not listening. Well, okay. What next after D major? How will figure out? 5th up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A major. How many sharps? A major. Pressing, you pushing. Relax. Relax. Just look for these 2 knuckles. No, 3 is better. 1, 2, 3. We said we're not repeating high note, remember? Whoa, how we end up with 4 here? I'm wondering. Okay, do it again. Right here. Mistake is here. 1, 2, 3, not 4. Say 4 for second step, second note. Turn. Right? Play left hand only. Okay, both hands from A. Okay, after that E major and B major, hands together, 1 octave, and let's start 2 octaves. C major, not pinky, not the end, but start over 1. Okay, So to make some sound, move fingers, move them high up before you drop them down. Otherwise, no sound. And make sure you are making crescendo, and don't repeat high note. Don't repeat high C. Just go straight down. Так. There's no sound. Good, good, good. One, yes, thank you. Keep going. One, up, down, 5, don't repeat, 4, 3, yeah, 4, up, down, lift, drop, lift high, like marching, second and 1, yes. So this is the secret. If you don't leave the fingers, if you don't let them drop, you don't have a good contact with the key, you don't have a good sound. Okay, left hand, let's start here. 5, 4, you're trying to like force it and hit the key. Don't do this. Just put it down naturally. Let go down. Drop down instead of hitting and forcing. Legato. Three, 2, up, down, 1, 4, 3. Okay. This is the problem. If you tense up, it's really hard to get the good sound. You need to control fingers and not to be so tense up. Let's go over this song 58. Ukrainian folk song from Russian, book 1, book 2. The Russian School of Piano Playing, book 1, part 1, song 58, page 27, Ukrainian folk song. Notes are correct. Try to make it more like a song, right? Song, not just. It doesn't call notes. It doesn't call Ukrainian folk notes. It said Ukrainian folk song. What does it mean song? Song, it's with something what we sing, right? So to make singing sound, singing tone, we need to move fingers. If we don't have this correct tone. And you keep forgetting, you're not moving fingers up, Mina. Try again. Thank you. Thank you. Play like that. Keep going. Keep moving like. No, just. So when you move finger up, when you lift finger up, it gives you this freedom, relaxation, so you can drop down with certain tone. Okay, why would you hold this? You should not hold. try to make crescendo from. Now, why would your hand would be here for so long? Should be ready above the keys. You play right hand, your left hand is ready. Go. Keep going. Better. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, let's stop here. We had the 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. The phrase right hand, left hand, right hand, left, right, right. So this one single phrase, and everything is legato. The challenge is combine both hands, right? Make legato. Easier would be with one hand, would be easier. But here's right hand, connected to left, go back to right. This is not easy. So give me again 4 bars, beautiful melody, song, and your melody passing from the right hand to the left hand and back and forth. I think you stole my speed. I think you stole my tempo. You should not. Take your speed. Play your tempo you can handle. Did you hear me saying legato between right and left hand? If you play like this, is it legato or not? It's not. It's stop. Sound is stop. It's not passing to the, it's not overlapping. You want to overlap. Do you hear the difference? Yes. Now this should be overlapped with B and D connected, overlapped. Now B and A, not. Hear the difference between connected and not connected notes, right? So BA. Look at here. It's right hand and it's left hand. You got it? Good, good. So this was 4 bars. Replay one more time. So this is the challenge. Make legato between right and left hand and listen for these sounds which are, you were like, when I was explaining this, like, not big deal, it's easy. It's not. Okay, try again. Please, one more time. Beautiful, you got it. So after that, it's going to be the next phrase, and you can take a little like breath, inhale. You can separate the sentences, these phrases between each other. New one. New one. So let's count how many total phrases we have. 1, 2. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, we can make it new one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they all 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. They're all by 4 bars. So 4 by 6 supposed to be what? 24? Let's count if we have 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 20. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Okay. Oof. Okay, good. 24 bars. And each phrase by 4 bars. And what we do between phrases, we breathe. Right? We breathe with hand. We breathe with our nose. We make it sound like a song. Okay, this was Mina. She was learning from Russian book number 58. Russian book 1, part 1. Bye. Mina, how old are you?
9.
9. She's 9.